Ever wondered how your phone charges when you place it on a wireless charging pad? Or how a compass always knows where north is? These everyday marvels are not brought about by magic, but by invisible forces that are constantly at work around us. These forces are known as electric and magnetic fields. Their influence is far-reaching, impacting everything from the tiniest particles to the largest celestial bodies. They're the unseen puppeteers of our universe, pulling the strings that make our world tick. Electric and magnetic fields are responsible for many phenomena that we often overlook. From the static electricity that makes your hair stand on end, to the magnetic pull that guides a compass needle, these fields are at the heart of it all, yet despite their omnipresence, these forces remain largely unseen and misunderstood. So let's dive into this invisible world of electric and magnetic fields, and explore how they influence our world. Imagine a world where you can move objects without touching them. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic. It's the power of electric fields. Now let's unravel the mystery of these invisible forces. An electric field is a region around a charged particle where this particle can exert a force on other charges that enter its realm. Think of it as a bubble around the charged particle, reaching out in all directions and saying, "Hey, if you're charged and you come into my space, I'm going to push you or pull you." The strength of the electric field isn't the same everywhere though. It's stronger the closer you are to the charge, and weaker the further away you get. It's like the heat from a campfire. Stand close to the fire and you feel the intense heat, but move away and the heat diminishes. Also, the strength of the electric field depends on the amount of charge. A larger charge creates a stronger electric field, and a smaller charge creates a weaker one. It's like a more powerful speaker blasting music that can be heard from further away, compared to a less powerful speaker. To help visualize this, let's consider static electricity. Ever rubbed a balloon against your hair and then held it above small pieces of paper? The pieces jump up to the balloon, right? That's because rubbing the balloon creates an electric charge, which in turn creates an electric field around the balloon. The electric field then pulls on the charges in the pieces of paper, causing them to move towards the balloon. Or think about the time when you pulled off a woolen hat and your hair stood on end. That's the electric field at work too. The hat rubs off electrons from your hair, leaving each strand positively charged. These like charges repel each other, causing your hair to stand up. So the next time you see your hair standing up after pulling off a woolen hat, remember, it's not magic. It's the invisible force of an electric field at work. Now let's talk about another invisible force that's been guiding explorers for centuries. Yes, we're talking about magnetic fields. A magnetic field is a region around a magnet where it exerts a force on other magnets or magnetic materials. Picture a magnet, and imagine invisible lines of force extending out from it in all directions, forming a kind of three-dimensional halo. This is the magnetic field. It's strongest near the magnet itself and weakens as you move further away. But it's not just bar magnets that have magnetic fields. Did you know that the Earth itself is a giant magnet? It's true. Our planet has its own magnetic field, known as the Earth's geomagnetic field. This is why compasses work. A compass is simply a tiny magnet that's free to rotate. The Earth's magnetic field pulls on the compass needle, aligning it with the north and south poles. This is a concept that has been crucial for navigation for centuries. Just think about it. Long before GPS and digital maps, sailors relied on compasses to navigate the vast open seas. They knew they could trust the Earth's magnetic field to guide them, even in the darkest night, even when land was nowhere in sight. Magnetic fields aren't just about compasses and navigation though, you'll find them in all sorts of everyday items. For instance, those little magnets holding up your shopping list on the fridge? They're sticking there because of magnetic fields. And let's not forget about technology. Magnetic fields play a crucial role in many devices we use daily, from your smartphone's compass app to the electric motors that power everything from your car's windshield wipers to the hard drive in your computer. Magnetic fields are everywhere, invisible yet incredibly powerful. They shape our world in ways you might not even realize. So, from guiding ancient sailors to keeping your fridge magnets in place, magnetic fields are constantly at work around us. Now that we understand electric and magnetic fields, it's time to explore their connection. Let's start with a fascinating revelation. Electric and magnetic fields aren't two separate entities. Rather, they are two aspects of the same phenomenon, known as electromagnetism. It's like two sides of the same coin, with each side revealing a different perspective of the same object. This connection was discovered by the brilliant scientist James Clerk Maxwell in the 19th century. Maxwell's equations, as they are now known, provide the mathematical framework that unites electric and magnetic fields into a single, elegant theory. Here's the exciting part. Maxwell found that a changing electric field can create a magnetic field. Imagine you have an electric field that's fluctuating, growing and shrinking. This variation can actually give rise to a magnetic field. But that's not all. The reverse is also true. A changing magnetic field can create an electric field. This interplay between electric and magnetic fields is the foundation for the phenomenon of electromagnetic waves. These waves, which include everything from radio waves to visible light to X-rays, are essentially oscillating electric and magnetic fields traveling through space. Consider this. Every time you tune into your favorite radio station, you're picking up on electromagnetic waves broadcasted from afar. Those waves are the result of changing electric and magnetic fields, buzzing through the air, all thanks to Maxwell's discovery. But it's not just about distant radio signals. This theory is also at the heart of modern technologies. For example, wireless charging, a feature we now take for granted in our phones, relies on the interaction between electric and magnetic fields. A changing electric current in the charging pad generates a magnetic field, which then induces an electric current in your phone, charging the battery. So, whether it's the light from your screen reaching your eyes or your phone charging wirelessly, it's all thanks to the wonderful interplay of electric and magnetic fields. So, there you have it, the invisible forces that power our world. We've explored the fascinating world of electric fields, responsible for the charge within atoms, and magnetic fields, which guide our compasses and provide Earth's protective shield. We've also delved into how these two forces interconnect, creating a complex dance that gives rise to phenomena like light and radio waves. Next time you use your phone, remember it's not just a piece of technology but a testament to the amazing power of electric and magnetic fields.